social media is just another one of those things where you have highs and lows. But when reach is low, connection is better. When connection is better, the relationships with people are better. You want to focus on areas where you can build those connections, and stories is one of them. It's the best one, in my opinion. You can get people to DM you, you can get people to feel closer to you, connected to you, to where they are more loyal to you as a business, more loyal to you as a person. So concentrate on stories. And I'm going to be, I started an email to send to all of you to give you just like a little bit of a strategy. I don't know. I thought about putting it in Slack, but then it turned out to be too big. So, so it's more of an email. But what I want you to do is focus on your stories. When reach is low, just remember that. Whenever reach is low, focus on stories. In order to get more views in stories, you need to be consistent, obviously. I mean, how often do you guys hear consistency? It's important. But I want you to think of embodiment. So all of you are passionate about your business. All of you have your direction, your path, your journey, and your direction. You want to bring people on that with you. So instead of sharing your breakfast, share a picture of your breakfast with, say, your schedule for the day. Over the summer, I started sharing, I started walking every day. And I started sharing every morning. I would share my schedule of the day, and I would share like a little video of me walking, or a video of Eli, my dog, with him walking, or a picture of him catching a turtle, or, you know, finding a turtle. Not that he caught them, but finding a turtle. This became huge. I'm still getting DMs from people all the time. Where's Eli and his turtles? Well, it's winter and turtles aren't out right now, but
Ginger, I have a question though. I think, I don't know for most of us, but like I feel like I always put stories on the back burner because I don't have a big following. And is it accurate that only your followers can look at your stories?
And anybody who visits your profile. So think about the people who find you, like so I find Nicole's post and I'm like, I'm intrigued. And I go to Nicole's profile. Well, I want to know more about you. I want to know what you're about. Great. You had a great post. Was this a once in a lifetime thing? Am I going to click that follow? You're going to be part of my following list, and you're never going to deliver me a whole lot of other stuff that I like, or I don't relate to you or don't resonate with you. And this post was a one-off. I'm far less likely to go through and binge your content than I am to just click on your stories and see what you're about. So think about.
But stories only last for 24 hours, right?
Correct. Yeah. So that's why I'm saying, like, think of a theme. Think of a specific thing that you can get into the routine of doing every day, like to stay consistent. So like your morning routine or your morning schedule. You know, if you pour a cup of coffee every morning, do a quick recording or a picture of that. Switch it up between video and pictures, for one. They don't always have to show your face. Definitely don't always show your face. If every one of your stories is you on video, it's going to get boring really quickly. If all of your stories are trainings, it's going to get boring really quickly. People want to see a piece of you, like your surroundings, your what you do in a day, who you are, things that they can connect with and relate to. Like, I have things in my office. Whenever I post pictures or video, I get questions about that little lamp over there. I get questions about that plant and whether it's real or not. I get like weird questions about the weirdest things, but those spark conversations that turn into more. So think of that. So start with your morning to stay consistent. Let's just go on this consistency path. So to stay consistent, think of your morning: coffee, breakfast, going on your walk, walking into your office. Just record your phone, grab your phone, record you opening up your office door and walking to your desk. Really simple stuff. Not the simpler, the better, actually. The more complicated you make it, the less likely you're going to do it. The less likely people are going to believe that it's real and that it's you. So don't use stock videos or anything like that. Do like real, just walking in 15 seconds. That's all you need. 15 seconds of video. walking into your office, sitting down at your desk the next day, tapping your mouse. Just record you actually tapping your mouse. Simple stuff here.